Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, mga estudyante. Aking mga estudyante or estudyante in general, because there are some students who are watching this video lecture. Now, babalikan ko lang po yung video, yung ating binigay na computation last time na nakabase doon sa example ni Keane and Rayborn sa chapter 3 nila na cost accounting. Kasi merong namali sa computation. Ito ay error at tawag nito, sabihin na natin na hindi ito natignan ng maayos, nabalikan. So this is a correction, and because there are errors made here, so naapektuhan din yung ilan sa explanation ko doon. So let me just clear this one and let me correct some of my statements before. Now, credit, shout out kay Jay. Kung sino ka man Jay, si Jay kasi yung nakakita dito sa error na ito, Kasi habang pinapanood niya ito, napansin niya na, sir, bakit mali po yata yung net profit? Tama naman yung mga amounts, except na yung net profit before income tax under the absorption costing na income statement. Bakit siya 365,400? Tapos nung 2020, 487,800. Totoo nga naman, 469,800 minus 88,200. Pag kinalculator nyo yan, that will be the correct net profit is 381,600. At dito naman, sa 2020, pag kinuha mo yung gross profit less your operating expenses, that is 471,600. Pero nagkamali tayo dito. So pasensya na po, because sometimes when I am copying materials, okay, pag nakapareha sila ng table at may minumodify lang sa mga amounts, so now omit natin, minsan nagiging negligent tayo. Pero so this just proves that even professors like me sometimes commit mistake. So we have to be very careful. Pero I really appreciate Jay for observing, okay, for noting that out to me, at least makorek natin ito. So good job. Very good ka dyan. So let me just correct this one. So dapat from the 365,400 and 487,600, eto na po ang ating corrected amounts. Now, kasi previously nabanggit ko na magkapareha sila. Yung bottom figure under absorption costing and yung variable costing, magkapareha sila ng amounts sa bottom, yung net profit before income tax. Totoo lamang po yan kapag ang total number of units produced ay equal sa total number of units sold. Pero kapag mas malaki or mas maliit, ibig sabihin the production is greater than or less than your actual units sold, magkakaroon ng discrepancy. Kasi take note, under absorption costing, ito na yung corrected, 381,600, 471,600. Pag kinumpare mo yan doon sa variable costing, ito yun, of course, yung 426,600, parehas lang yan sa year 2018. Kasi equal po yung production sa sales. Pero tignan mo, yung 2019 dito, 365,400 as compared dito sa 381,600. Mas malaki yung sa absorption costing. By how much, hindi ko na na-compute yung difference. Pagdating naman sa 2020, dahil mas malaki naman yung units sold versus the units produced, tignan po ninyo, 487,800 sa variable costing. Pero yung ating absorption costing is 471,600. So you see the difference here. It will happen when the sales is not equal to the production. Now, pero pag tinignan niyo yung total, kasi 'di ba, hindi ko na nakopy dito doon sa details ng ating problem. Doon sa isa kong table, ito yung 2018, 2019, 2020, produced, sold, mayroon tayong change in inventory. 2018, walang change kasi equal. 2019, meron kang ending inventory na 20,000 kasi meron kang 20,000 na natira. Pagdating ng 2020, kung hindi mo i-consider yung beginning, negative 20,000 ka dyan. Kasi 320 versus 330. Pero pag kinonsolidate natin, pag sinabi natin kinonsolidate, pag pinagsama-sama natin yung tatlong periods, net zero. Okay, 0 yung ating net amount. Kaya nga, pag tinignan po ninyo, under absorption costing, dahil on this assumption, okay, for 3 years, total nila pare-parehas. O, tignan ninyo yung net income. Okay, 1,279,800 under absorption costing while under variable costing. Parehas din pag sinum up natin itong tatlo. On the assumption, now etong tatlo kasi, especially yung 2019 and 2020, nag-offset sila. Plus 20 minus 20. Okay? Now this, gives us a confirmation of this item that I was able to discuss before when comparing the two approaches. Pag production ay equal sales, tignan ninyo, etong nasa taas, absorption costing. Okay? Etong nasa baba, variable costing. If production equal sale, equal po yan. Walang difference. Pero pag production ay more than sales, 290 versus 270. O sino daw yung mas malaking income? Absorption costing income. Asan ba yung absorption costing natin? Etong nasa taas, natakpan lang kasi nitong ating emphasis na statements here. Greater than yung absorption costing because 381,600 yan when comparing it with the 365,400. Okay? Another proof that production is less than sales will give us an absorption costing net income that is less than your variable costing income. Kasi dito sa 2020, 471,600 yung ating absorption costing net income as compared to your 487,800. Pag kinuha natin yung difference pala nitong dalawa, sa 2019, hindi ko na guys i-annotate, 381,600 versus 365,400. 16,200. Yan. Okay, that is the difference, no? Now, pag sinek naman natin dito, 471,600 ng 2020 minus natin sa 487,800. We also get the same amount pero naka-negative, 16,200. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakabaliktad ako on your part. So, you see here the point kasi ang total nila in 3 years parehas. Pero yun nga lang, we can confirm that these are correct. Etong unang bullet applies to 2018, yung second bullet applies to 2019, and the third bullet applies to 2020. Okay? So yun po this is not only a simple correction, but a simple correction of amounts, but also a correction of some of my explanations that I was able to made before because I mistakenly made them equal. Okay? So maraming salamat. Please let me know na lang kung naliwanagan kayo. Okay? Baka kasi hindi ninyo nakita yung error doon sa isa kong video lecture. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.